Hey there, guys. So I just wanted to show you this Hoover I have. I've always thought this is a pretty interesting vacuum. Is that it looks like it's a Decade 80, but it's actually not. It's a Hoover Convertible Elite. So I thought that's pretty interesting. Um, and it's a on the bottom. It's a It's a U4153, and but with headlights. So it's pretty interesting. It's a 4 amps. It's a 4.3 amp on floor and 4.7 with tools, and and then it's on high speed, and then when you lower it, it pulls the lever back, and then it goes back to floor. So when the handles are reclined, it's on low speed, and when it's in the upright position, it's on high. Um, and that's pretty much that part of it. So I guess it is a little bit of an oddball of a machine, because I gave the model number to a friend, and they're like, that was also a blue model with no headlights, so not for sure, but it's definitely an early 80s, I guess, machine. My really good buddy Rob gave me this. He's a Termite 151. I mean, not one, sorry, Termite 159 on YouTube. And he gave me this. I think it was my birthday, but I don't remember. And yeah, and so it's one that I really like. And it's a little rusty now, but I mean, for the age, it's not too bad. And he's got told me when he gave it to me, it's a non-beater bar roller we have in it now. I'm pretty sure, of course, the original probably had a beater bar in it. It's a gray, and then it's a Type A bag. And I threw in a HEPA version from Ricard, which I use their Type A bags more than I do the actual Hoover ones, to be honest. And I guess that's pretty much it. So we'll take it for a little go. And then to put it into tool mode, these really good lines, I've got to admit. And also, I didn't mention the other thing that's a little bit of an oddball with it is it's a 12-blade plastic fan on it. So it's like the one on those metal convertibles, but plastic. So it's really interesting. I've got one I'll show one day. It's like a burnt orange type of color. It's also from the 80s. But it's not this shape, it's the squared off one, like an original convertible. But yeah, so that's pretty much this one. And be sure that belt's not rubbing or something. Nope, it's on there. Just want to be sure it's on there. I've tend to get my belts backwards a lot anyway, but yeah. Okay guys, there we go. So kind of I always found this to be quite an interesting little convertible looking Hoover. So I guess that's pretty much that, and you guys have a good day.